Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the tension spring in your trunk on a 2011 BMW 550i. I already did the right one. I didn't get a video of that, but I'm going to do the left one today. So first of all, there's some clips that are supposed to be here that you have to remove. My car doesn't have them because the previous owner didn't replace them, but this is what they look like. Basically, you're going to take a clip remover and just remove those. Once you remove those, you can get this lining out of the way. To get access to the tension spring. Looks like there is a clip somewhere. No. Yeah, that. And this is the spring here. So you just want to get that off. You have to wedge it off, kind of. And then there's another something holding it here. You're just gonna pull that off as well. So start off with this one. Kind of like twist and there you go. Be careful, the trunk's gonna fall down. Don't let it hit your head. Be helpful if you had someone else here to help you. My wife was out here earlier helping me, but she got too cold. So I got the first hook off. Now the second one should be a little bit easier. Pull that right off. This is the spring. Okay. This is a replacement spring I got off of ECS Tuning. Again, this is the left spring. And now I'm going to put this on. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting the back one on first. Or actually, yeah, the back one. Since so you have more leverage. It'd be harder to put it on if the front one is on first. Alright, so I got the rear one on. So there's a little hook here. Try my best to get it. Kind of just gotta slide it on from the back, and then slides right on. And then for this one here, you're gonna want to make sure the trunk is open all the way. Open the trunk all the way so it extends the spring, and then you'll have some space to put it back on. And there we go, it's on. That's the installation. Now the trunk. So my trunk issue I had was when I'd open it, it would just fly open. So I replaced both the left and the right spring. I actually replaced the right one first, and that solved the issue, but this part was only $20, so I figured I might as well replace both. So, that's the video. Put this stuff back. If you have clips, clip them back in.